like just me 애틋까지만 baby 곁에 있어줘 yeah I just wanna get close to you all I wanna do is take you on my place counting 3, 4, 5 and rhythm match how we vibing getting paid so I can treat
Guys, don't deprive yourself of paper bags when going to grocery because look at what I have to deal with right now. And I have to walk home with this, but it's like killing my arms. But it's my fault for not buying anything because I also put like some of my groceries here in my bag, like the oat milk and wait, why am I holding this? 1 second. Yeah, like the oat milk, grapes, the strawberries, and let me tell you, it is heavy. It is heavy as hell, but it's okay. Bye. I think I'm getting a bit self-conscious right now because I'm in a public place. I just got home. So, to give you guys a context, this was what's in my bag basically. The oat milk, strawberry, peanut butter, and grapes. And then of course like my other stuff that's in here, like my, you know, my umbrella. Why do I have my planner here? I didn't need it when I was in the gym. Anyway, that's not the point. Moral lesson, is it worth it to not buy 15-cent bag? I'm not even sure if it's like 15 cents or 25 cents now. But is it worth it? Probably not. It's good afternoon. It's 12:50 and I'm drinking my green tea. I am actually, this is actually like kind of like the time frame where a lot of assignments are due. Yeah, it's like almost the end of the semester. So I have like 4 assignments left, 1 for each course, for each subject. I just finished my assessment tea for one of my courses. Kind of like on track, but like I don't want to be like too lax about it. So I have been like a bit too lax yesterday when I finished. Like I literally just rode in my apartment. I went for a run, or not even for a run. It's like a run and a walk at the same time. But it's like I was gonna go to this like free trial at this gym near me, but apparently they are just opened like with staff members from Monday to Saturday, and yesterday was a Sunday. So also need to cleaned a bit yesterday, but it's not enough. Like I need to clean my apartment, and I have to buy a new shelf, which I haven't done. I meant to buy a shelf like a month ago because like I feel like a lot of my stuff in my study table. By the way, this is my dining table that I am like doing my assignment right now, because I feel like this is just like a bit more like accessible to me, because my study table is full of clutter. It's just full of everything. Like I just feel like I can't really work there, and that's why I haven't also been using my other laptop, like my gaming laptop, because yeah, I just can't. Hello everyone! So I actually got this keyboard. It's a gift to my friend, and basically we're just gonna be unboxing this because they allow me to do the unboxing video for this new keyboard. As you guys know, well, not probably all of you know, but some people from my channel knows that I really do love keyboards, and so I'm just gonna be unboxing this Ola F75. So I actually am pretty excited. I want to get something for myself. Like I really want to get the color green version of this, just because it's so pretty, and it's also affordable, and yeah, it's just like everything. And it's also 75%, which is my favorite size of the keyboard. Oh my gosh, I'm gonna do like an ASMR for this, because like oh my god. Yet. Okay, so I've got the guide here, and then we go for the keyboard. Oh my gosh, this is pretty heavy. The one thing that you have to kind of like take note with your keyboards, guys, is that it has to be heavy so that it doesn't like move around. And of course it's best that it's made of aluminum, but if it's not, then just make sure that it's made of hard plastic so that it's sturdy and durable, especially if you're like rage gaming like I do sometimes. Anyway, so oh my god, I really want to get one for myself. Hello? Okay, sorry, I have to calm down. I'm gonna be doing a quick ASMR video for this keyboard. To do some grocery shopping. Actually, it's not even grocery. I just need to buy eggs. That's it. And maybe grapes. I haven't taken a shower yet. I will do so once I get home. As you can see, I'm not really well groomed, but that's okay. I was also feeling like a bit like down for the past just like 3 days, because I was having like a bit of fun and I just finished my assignment, but I just feel like I was not really just like so confident in how I looked and everything. I still want to get my Vietnamese roll though, so hopefully they still have it. It closes in 1 hour, so hopefully.